What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed here, back for another video, and in this one I'm going to be letting you all listen to me make some live cold calls for buyers for a specific property that we're trying to sell out in College Park, Georgia. Spoiler alert, the deal is already at the title company, but I want you all to be able to listen to some of the calls, the cold calls that we were making, and we'll talk more about it as we get into the video, like the strategies that I use and things of that nature. But let's go ahead, let's not waste any time, let's get right on into it.
Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met
Hi, Floyd.
Yes, speaking.
Hey, Floyd. My name is Ed Hayes. I was calling because I saw you had a property listed on affordablehousing.com, and I was
It's been rented out already.
Oh, okay. Well, actually, I was reaching out to try to see if you happen to be interested in picking up any more properties in the area.
Yeah, everyone says that. But listen, if you got a colonial split or full basement, I'm interested if the numbers make sense.
Okay, you said a colonial, a split. Say that one more time.
Split
Okay.
or with a full basement, and the numbers got to make sense.
Okay. I may have something that fits that criteria in College Park right now. Like, are you trying to do like would you be interested in like a fixer-upper type of situation, or are you looking for something that's kind of ready to?
Fix up is what I want.
Okay.
I have to buy it below market value.
Okay.
So fix up is what I need. What are you, a wholesaler?
I do some wholesaling, but I'm an investor and an agent myself as well.
All right.
Yeah.
The numbers got to make sense. Numbers make sense, then I'm interested.
I mean, well, I'll tell you this. I mean, this is like the hottest property that we've got right now. It's on 1.7 acres in College Park. We're selling it for $99,000, and it's solid ARVs in that area of $350,000 to $360,000. And this is by far the biggest lot.
Is it a gut rehab?
Yeah, it's gonna need probably, I would say, maybe like 125 worth of work, something like that. That's my best guess, maybe less.
I'll take a look at it. I'll take a look at it.
Okay, well, what's the best email to shoot it over to you? gmail.com. Okay, I will go ahead and shoot you over the details. And this is my personal sale right here. So after you get a chance to check it out, definitely just feel free to reach back out to me and we can kind of take it from there.
All right, I'll try to hit it by tomorrow, and we'll talk from there. All right?
Okay, perfect, Floyd. Well, I do appreciate your time.
No problem, man.
All right, talk to you soon. All right, bye-bye. Now, on that particular phone call, that guy ended up calling me back after he saw our listing online, and he was like, man, this property looks like it needs to be torn down, and things of that nature. So that actually, at that time, we only had like 4 pictures of the property online, and they weren't really that good. So that really shows the value of having really, really good photos. That person probably would have been ready to buy at the price that we were trying to sell it for had we actually had better photos. Also, as you see, like, I'm not reading off of any script or anything like that. I'm just having a natural conversation with these people. It doesn't feel like a sales call. I'm just saying like, hey, I know you got some investment properties already. Are you interested in getting any more? I really, really like this method of reaching out to people like, for rent by owner type people, because very, very often, if they're not buying properties, they're going to be looking to sell properties. At the beginning, I actually had a conversation with a guy that was trying to sell 2 properties. Like my very first phone call, the guy was trying to sell 2 properties. Later on in this video, you'll see another guy that I spoke to that was actually interested in buying exactly what this guy had. So I really, really like this approach. But let's get back into the calls. Maria, Maria, oh baby, when you talk like that, you make the feeling good.
Has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system. One for more options.
Hi, this message is for Maria. My name is Ed Hayes. I was calling because I saw that you had a property listed on affordablehousing.com, and I was just actually reaching out to see if you were interested in picking up any more properties in the area. If so, please feel free to reach back out to me at your earliest convenience. Again, my name is Ed Hayes, and my phone number is 708. Have a blessed one. Hello, Michael.
Who am I speaking with?
My name is Ed Hayes. I was calling because I saw that you had a property on affordablehousing.com. And I was,
What is this regarding?
I was actually just reaching out to see if you happen to be interested in picking up any more properties in the area.
No, not at this time. I appreciate it, bro.
Okay. Okay. No problem at all. Would you happen to be interested in selling any properties? Looks like he's not interested. Not interested. Hi, Rashawn. My name is Ed Hayes. I was calling about, I saw that you had a property listed on affordablehousing.com, but I was actually calling to see if you would be interested in picking up any more properties in the area. If so, we do have some inventory that you can check out. Please feel free to reach back out to me at your earliest convenience. Again, my name is Ed Hayes, and my phone number is 708. Have a blessed one. Hello?
Hello?
Hi, this is Ed Hayes here.
Had a missed call from this number?
Oh, yeah. My name is Ed. I was calling, this is Roderick, right? I believe? Yeah, I'm sorry. I was just calling because I saw that you had a property listed on affordablehousing.com. I was actually calling to see if you were interested in picking up any more properties in the area.
What you mean picking up more property? You mean buying?
Yeah.
Yeah, I am interested in purchasing, but I have to make sure I don't do like full renovations. I'm gonna do like houses that's already rent ready.
Okay.
If it needs work, I'm not interested.
Okay, fair enough. The property that I was actually considering sending you, it needs a good amount of work. It's a lot of meat on the bone, but it does need a lot of work.
I just don't have the crew to go in and renovate like that.
Right.
If you can find me a contractor, that can, help me with the project, then I might consider it. But right now, I don't have the team to do it.
Okay. You know what's actually crazy? I actually came across 2 properties today that already have Section 8 tenants and I'm ready to go. Would that be something that would interest you?
Yeah.
Okay.
It all depends on the
Yeah, so this one right here, I'm not sure exactly what the price is, but I know that it's bringing in $1,300 a month. It's on like Whitehall Forest Court or something like that. And then there's another one that's bringing in $1,600 a month. This is like the Section 8 price. $1,600 a month. And that's actually on contract right now for like $74. Anyway, but yeah, I can shoot you over a couple properties that may actually make sense for you if that's something that'll interest you.
Okay, now you said the one for $1,300 is how much for sale?
I'm not sure the exact sale price right at this very moment. Because to be honest with you, I was talking to the seller just a little bit ago or whatever happened. It's not like official yet, but I just talked to somebody that wanted to sell 2 properties with Section 8 tenants in them. I'm pretty sure I can call them right back and get it for you if you actually are interested.
Okay.
I think that he'll probably do. Go ahead, my bad. Go ahead.
Yeah, just text me the address to those properties.
Okay.
And then I'll analyze it, check the value of the property, and potentially the rent amount.
Okay. I can literally copy and paste you over what he just sent me. He just gave me like a full breakdown not too long ago. So I'll shoot that over to you. This is my personal sale right here. And I'll shoot that over to you. And if that's something that interests you, definitely let me know and we can make it happen for you. I'm pretty sure that he'll probably go for like 75, 80K. All right, so at this point, my audio actually went out for good on the mic. You could probably hear that I was having some mic issues, but basically, man, like this is why I like making these phone calls and actually getting out here. I'm going to be doing a lot more of just like documenting my journey instead of like creating a bunch of different videos and stuff like that. In 2023, my goal is just to document a lot more for you all. So y'all can just watch me actually build the business out. You can watch me do it. That should give you the confidence in knowing that you can do this stuff yourself as well. It's not that difficult and stuff like that. You know what I mean? I think a lot of people don't really show a lot of buyer stuff as well. So I'm glad to show that. But guys, this deal actually came from a JV deal. If you're interested in working with us to help you actually get your deals closed, guys, send your deals to deals@dealflowtoday.com. We actually got this deal from Jacob and Thomas. And guys, This is going to be Jacob's first deal, and we're going to be closing $23,000 on his very first deal. Guys, it's amazing, So definitely, if you're interested in getting some help closing that deal, the property will go into the approval process. If it gets approved, then we'll go ahead and shoot it out to our, we have access to over 4.3 million buyers nationwide, guys. So feel free, shoot us your deals. Let's break some bread together. And also, let me know, was this video a W or an L? I know it's just a few phone calls. It wasn't anything too crazy, but expect a lot more videos like this coming your way soon. Hit that like button for me, as well as drop a comment down below and let me know what you think about this video. Make sure that y'all check out my Wholesaler University course as well if you haven't already. It's absolutely free in 2023. And guys, man, as always, man, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all get up out of here. Until next time, we are out.